RobotDigg, empower engineers. This is Tiger from RobotDigg. In this video, I want to explain how this control unit works. Okay, so here is a control box. Let's power on first. So you can read that it's 320. That means we set the spool 320 meters. Okay, so if we don't need to change if we don't want to change the. You can read this one is 320 at 310. That means when it reaches 310, there is an alarm. Here you will hear the alarm that you need to change the spool. Okay, so this one is a control unit for the tractor step motor. So now we state 1000 pulse. So if we just click this, okay, and we click this, it will stop. And this one, how can we get this winding unit work? When we power on, we need to click this, winding on. So we just click this and this light will light. Okay, because now the speed is 0, so the winding unit doesn't work. But we turn, we need to power on first. Okay, so this light on and spool wires. So now the speed is auto. Speed auto, when we turn this, it doesn't work. It doesn't speed up or speed down. But when we turn to manual control, then you can change the speed by turning this speed controller for the drive motor. Okay, if we turn to auto, even though we turn this low or faster, it doesn't work, doesn't matter. So first we need to press this button for the winding on, and also make sure this button is on. Then the winding unit will work. That's the function of this control box for the desktop filament production line. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to RobotDigg YouTube channel, and we will bring you more updates on all RobotDigg items. Thank you.